Maybe Ziggy might.
Alright, let me read that motherfucker again. Alright.
Alright, what's up?
Alright. It's a very hungry caterpillar, bitches. Just look how hungry that motherfucker is. I remember that book. Fuck, I remember that cutting on my fucking leaves. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still fucking hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 goddamn strawberries, but fuck me, that bastard was still fucking hungry. On Friday, he ate some 5 oranges, skins, and a 5 motherfucker, but his bottle was jelly of an intravenous stomach still demanding for food. Holy shit, Boss is an unstoppable machine.
That was absolutely epic.
Thank you.